Hi, welcome to the Downtown Artists Cooperative. We're here in the heart of downtown Clarksville, 96 Franklin Street, and we are a group of 41 local artists who live and work in the area, and we take turns keeping the gallery open, thus the word cooperative. We represent a number of artists, everything from photography and painting to pyrography and woodworking and jewelry, ceramics. If it's art, it's local. We want to bring it to you. That's our goal. We like to be sort of a destination for gifts here in Clarksville. Someplace you can get something original, something unique, something that's not from a big box store or, stamped made in China on the back of it. And we love supporting other local artists here in town. When you come into the DAC, expect original things. Expect things you haven't seen other places. Expect to see things you haven't seen before. So if you find yourself in downtown Clarksville, stop by the DAC, 96 Franklin Street. You won't regret it.